Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to search eBay by image. Have you ever seen a product online or in real life and thought, I wish I could find this exact item on eBay? The problem is, you might not know the name of the product, the brand, or even how to describe it. That's where image search becomes incredibly powerful. While eBay itself has limited image search features depending on your region, you can use Google Images as a smart workaround to find the same item on eBay. First, go to Google Images in your browser. Once the page loads, look at the search bar. You'll see a small camera icon. This is the Search by Image feature. Click on the camera icon. Now, you'll see two options: upload a file or paste image link. Choose Upload a file. Then, open your File Explorer and select the image of the item you're trying to find. Once selected, upload it. After uploading, Google Images will analyze the image and show similar results. You'll see visually similar images, related products, and websites where the item appears. Now here's the key step. At the top, find the search bar again. Look for the option that says Add to your search. Click on it. Now type site:/ebay.com. Then press enter. Clarification. This tells Google to only show results from eBay. So instead of seeing results from different websites, you'll now get listings specifically from eBay. Now browse through the results. Click on any listing that matches your item. From there you can view details, compare prices, and check the condition. Once you find the correct listing, you can proceed to buy it immediately or add it to your watch list. Using Google Images together with eBay is a powerful way to find items when you don't know their names. To summarize, searching eBay by image involves uploading a picture to Google Images, reviewing the results, then refining the search using site:/ebay.com to find matching listings on eBay. This method helps you locate products visually instead of relying on keywords. And that's how to search eBay by image using Google Images. This is one of those simple but powerful techniques that can save you time and frustration, especially when you don't know exactly what you're looking for. The key is knowing how to guide the search. By combining image recognition with targeted filtering like site:/ebay.com, you turn a broad search into something precise and useful. As you get more comfortable with this method, you'll be able to find rare items, compare listings faster, and make smarter buying decisions. Don't just rely on text. Use visuals to your advantage. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.